Hi everyone, welcome again to the class of literary readers. In the previous two videos, we have talked about the literary movements, the eight literary movements of the postmodern era. This is the part 3 video and last video. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about the terms the theater of cruelty, agitprop theater, black arts movement, and existentialism. So, let's proceed. First, we have the Theatre of Cruelty. The Theatre of Cruelty was the creation of the French director, actor, and writer Antonin Artaud. Now, to understand the theatre of cruelty, we need to look at the term surrealism. Surrealism was inspired by Sigmund Freud's study of the unconscious mind. Surrealist playwrights moved beyond reality and looked to dreams instead of logic for inspiration to create a true reality. They wanted to be able to explain everyday reality in a way that the mind had not imagined before. Antonin Artaud also took the ideas from the Surrealist Manifesto, that is by André Breton, that seek to unify the reality of the mind and reality that surrounds us. So he combined both the ideas surrealism plus André Breton's suggestion. Hence, a dramatic moment, the theatre of cruelty was born. Now, what is theatre of cruelty? Artaud's use of the word cruelty did not intend to mean brutal or mean. Antonin Artaud wanted to make the audience more aware of their instinctual feelings through psychological shock. He wanted to transfer a sense of suffering, pain, and evil, and to jot the mind and make people face their fears. The theatre of cruelty deals with dark universal concepts like madness and perversion. The example is the play The Cenci that was written by P.B. Shelley and performed in 1935. Next we have agitprop theatre. The word agitprop is made up of two words. Agit, that means agitation, and prop, that means propaganda. So basically it was a communist propaganda in Soviet Russia in 1920s. Now agitprop seek to change the public's social, political, even moral beliefs through direct persuasion. It was an attempt to stir up public's opinion for or against something that includes political or social issue. It can be in any form, like in the form of protest, marches, demonstration, speeches, or newspaper articles. The purpose of the agitprop theatre was to awake awareness of a particular issue and then persuade its intended audience to take some form of action. In India, agitprop was popularized by Safdar Hashmi. He was the founder of the street theatre. Next, we have existentialism. Existentialism is a philosophical movement that is based on individual freedom and choice. Existentialism defines the core of our essence, that we have to write our own essence through the way we choose to live. It's our responsibility to give our life a meaning in this absurd world. So, according to existentialists, this world is meaningless and purposeless. Existence is always particular and individual. It is like my existence, your existence, his existence, and her existence. So, existence is primarily the problem of existence. It is therefore also the investigation of the meaning of being. Existentialism was originated during the World War II by Jean-Paul Sartre. He was influenced by the writers Dostoevsky and Martin Heidegger. The existentialist writers are Franz Kafka, Albert Camus, Samuel Beckett, Simone de Beauvoir, and Friedrich Nietzsche. Next, we have Black Arts Movement. Larry Neal is considered the aesthetic and spiritual sister of Black Power. The writer Amiri Baraka was the founder of the Black Arts Movement. He opened a Black Arts Repertory Theatre School in Harlem in the year 1965. Black Arts Movement is based on the self-determination for Black power, a separate cultural existence for Black people on their own terms, and the beauty and goodness of being Black. The writer Amiri Baraka wanted to create an art, a literature that would fight for Black people's liberation. So, Black Arts Movement is like a Black nationalism movement that focused on music, literature, drama, and visual arts made up of Black artists and intellectuals. The writers are Maya Angelou, Amiri Baraka, James Baldwin, Nikki Guani, Lauren Hansberry, and Alice Walker. So that's all for today. If you have any query, then make use of the comment section below and keep learning, keep watching Lit Reader. Thank you.